Hello everybody. I am going to wash my clothes. I got a mixed load. I have some colors in there. I got some light colors in there. I may sneak in some dark pieces because I don't want to have to do a separate load. So I am going to use Persil. I have used this in the past. I haven't used it in a very long time. So it's the Everyday Clean Original. Protects colors, deep clean, and care. 25 loads. These bottles are getting smaller and smaller. I got this from CVS. And I believe it was $6.99 when I got it. It has a nice strong smell. You really don't need scent beads and stuff with Persil because it's always strong. Okay. So it says that new clothes feeling. Isn't that a great feeling when you get some new clothes? I know I love it when I buy me some new clothes. Premium clean and cold water. Helps prevent color fading, whitens, and brightens. Okay, so they're telling you the usual amount to use. I'm gonna have to use about that much because those machines, the clothes will get really soapy and then it'll keep, if the machine won't stop. The machine won't stop. If it stops, your clothes are extra wet and extra soapy. So sometimes I'd be tempted to put a lot more, but this is about the right amount. So I will meet you in the laundry room. Okay, my clothes are done. They are nice and clean. They smell so good, y'all. So good. That Persil has a nice smell to it. There is one that I don't care for the smell, and I forget which one that is, but it's a good laundry detergent. Your clothes will get clean without all them extra beads and extra stuff that you have to buy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. There will be more reviews coming. I'm gonna put some more on my Soap and Suds channel also. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for just being here, okay?